You have a great opportunity using the signs of your church to let people know how they can join you for worship. If you are now doing a Facebook Live, a YouTube Live, maybe you're pre-recording a video and making it available on your website, tell people about that on your sign. You will see some signs as I scroll through this blog post that I found on a Google search that there are some clever things that have been posted on signs, but I recommend that you take advantage of this sign space that you can control and put information about your online worship service. Make it really easy for people to figure out that you are now conducting a worship service online if you weren't already, and how to find it. You could also let them know how to join your email list or your phone tree or whatever it might be that you use to communicate information about how to connect with you when you are doing an online worship service or the other activities of your church that have now moved online. I hate to see you miss opportunity with this signage that you control, that you own. If you feel like you can't get everything that you need to say on one of these magnetic signboards, you could also purchase a banner and have it wrapped around your sign and let the banner tell the message that you want to share. So I'm going to scroll through here and show you just a few that are coming up in this blog post. Here's a church that has an electronic sign that they are using to mention that they do have a live stream worship service at 10 a.m. Let's look at this one. This one has kind of a clever saying on it, but with the Sunday at 10 a.m., I'm not sure if that's saying there is a worship service at 10 a.m. that's at the church or if it's something online. I really would use that real estate to be very specific about when your worship service exists in the online space. Another thing that you can do is take a sandwich board. I know churches often have those if they're conducting some kind of a community event and they put those sandwich boards out on sidewalks. If you have any of those in your church, put them out ahead of Sunday and advertise how people can find you. So if you're doing a Facebook Live, put that on your sandwich board and list the handle of your church. You should be conducting your Facebook Lives in a business page, not in a group. You can set up a group, but the groups are better suited for things like your Sunday school classes or your small groups. I would have your Facebook Lives where you're doing your online worship service, do that from a business page in Facebook. That also gives you opportunity for lots of other things, but the Facebook page is a more public place for you to conduct your online worship service. So let people know how to find that. List the handle of your Facebook page, or if you're doing YouTube Live, list the handle of your YouTube channel so people can find you. So here's one that's saying that they are having online services only, but there's no information about how to find the online services. Here's another one here that says services by phone, but if I'm a visitor to your church, what number do I call? How do I become a part of the services by phone? You kind of get the idea. Tell people as much as you can using the signage that you already have control of. My name is Vickie Maris. You can find more information at VickieMaris.com about the services I provide in consulting and coaching for helping you up-level your live streaming activity for your organization, your church, or your business. I appreciate you spending some time with me. Take care.